Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch QLED touchscreen special for Volvo S60 2011 to 2018 years. Okay, let me show how to do it. It supports come with and built in the 360 camera. This camera will come with head unit together. Let me show. You can check the camera. This camera cables, and this is 3 cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this connection for cameras is connect our back head unit. Okay, and this will come with head unit together, and it can pass box. You can check this can pass decoder box. Canvas decoder box Volvo, and plugs, connectors. Okay, plug and play, and this AUX input left and right. Okay. Let me show how you need. You can choose time and logo. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose Volvo. Belsee. All apps are here. Auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can set this always. Instruction user menu. And built-in Google Maps Play Store. And our website belsee.com, blse.com. Latest Android head unit. It's built in the Wi-Fi and come with SIM card slot. Okay, but when you can check Android version 12. This let me show the sleep mode. You can turn on boot logo and reset settings. Display themes style there. Total 8 theme style already built in the head unit. Button lights you can change. volume, sound DSP, about device under warning DDR8 GB 128 GB. This factory password, and this break need set 0. If not, you can't watch a video. Watching videos set 0 and save, and other settings. This is the Europe. Okay. About device. Storage. Total 128 GB. Memory 8 GB. And system language. You can add the languages. All already built in the languages. Okay. And back home, you can set it default or AJ set the default launcher with change the home screen. Choose the AJ make launcher when you back home. It will long press, you can choose the app. Okay, and music. This navy, this music. Okay, and first let me introduce Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Bluetooth. Click search. Your phone will get message. Please pair. Okay, connecting very fast. You can put the free phone call. And work with the free phone call and streaming music from your phone. Okay. And we can play music from the USB. This DSP amplifier, bass, sound field, balance. Sub out. Okay, and you also can play the video, and you can copy the video in the USB drive USB flash drive and play the video. Okay, these instructions already built in. If you have any more questions, you can check user menu, and you also can visit our website belsee.com, blse.com to contact us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.